Hello guys and welcome back again by today's new crypto daily update video, and in today's video we need to discuss much because literally Elon Musk and Trump dropped a bomb here, and Meta Planet is planning to raise 5.4 billion to buy even more Bitcoin. We broke down of some patterns and there is big setup forming, so let's dive right away into it right now. So yesterday Elon Musk tweeted time to drop the real big bomb here. Real Donald Trump is in Epstein files. That's the real reason they have not made public. So this is a very big case in America, and literally everyone wants that the Epstein files is going public so they can see the case. But there are some really big names in the government that are in the Epstein files, and that's the reason why they don't want to make it public. But if it really is that that Trump is in the Epstein files, this really means a very big thing is about to happen, because that is really bad. And Elon Musk also tweeted after it, mark this post for the future, the truth will come out. So he's pretty sure about it, and if this happens it means literally that there is something big going on here, because if Trump is literally in the files here, he has a very big problem. And also with Elon Musk and Trump now, they have a big fight right now on social media again. Trump also did some things to Elon, and Elon back to Trump, and that's also why we got that move down here. Tesla is literally going down heavily here because of this fight. So this is a really interesting thing to see, and if this really is the case and they gonna make the Epstein files public or not, that's maybe if Trump doesn't make the Epstein files public, we maybe got the answer here already. So he needs to make it public to pray himself out of it. So I'm really interested to see what it will do here. And it calls for a really big dump towards the downside there, and in 24 hours almost $1 billion got wrecked. So please make sure to trade with low leverage here, because you see there's almost $870 million in longs liquidated. So please make sure to not trade with too much leverage here. But it's a pretty interesting point to scale into some trade and some spot positions here, because I've been talking about this pattern a lot. And yesterday when Trump tweeted, we got that move down, and we now saw a breakdown towards the downside, and we are currently close to retesting it. And I've been saying, if this pattern plays out, this is exactly how you want to trade it. So you can expect some downwards movement here. Of course, we put a stop loss in to not get liquidated, and we put that stop loss in above this high. And this is a really high conviction setup I am playing here, because I've been talking about this a lot. And if we retest it right here, we can see the further drop towards the downside. Also, if we look at the market structure on the 8-hour time frame here, we can see we printed a higher high, which was bullish, then made a higher low, which was also good if we make a new higher high afterwards. That's something we didn't do. We made a new lower high. That's also fine, but if you break that higher low towards the downside, which we saw, we create a lower low, and that's when you started to start your bear trend. Now we created a lower high again here, and after that we broke the lower low, so we set a new lower low here. How can we be in an uptrend again? That's to break this old lower high. So we need to break above it, get a retest, make that higher low again. So make a higher high, higher low, and a new higher high again. That's how we can flip this trend bullish. So please keep an eye on this zone here on the chart, because this is an interesting zone we need to break here. And we can also see that this will be resistance. So this is a pretty important zone to look out for. And yeah, we're just flipping the trend towards the downside. So now we're officially in a downtrend on the 8-hour time frame, but this is where the real money is made, because from the top off we're literally down 10%, and this this is really usual in a bull market that we dump 10%. So please make sure to anticipate on this and just add your spot position if you wanted to buy, because we are literally holding strong on a very important level here, the lower side of this range we took you towards a new all-time high. So I think this is a pretty good zone to look out for here. So please make sure to anticipate on this and not be too late again if we are at new all-time highs here. Also, we talked about the liquidity yesterday. We have liquidity on the lower side and on the top side. Now the lower side we have taken out here, but the top side is still there. So that means that there is a lot of short side liquidity towards the upside, which we need to take out. So if we can pump, so we took all the longs out here, which is pretty fine. Now it's very interesting to see if all the shorts will be taken out here. If we see so, then everyone is out of the market and we can start the real move towards the upside. So I'm pretty interesting to see what will happen here. And some really bullish news here for MetaPlanet, because MetaPlanet announced to raise 5.4 billion to buy more Bitcoin. And this is the statement they have public out here. So they want to raise $5.4 billion to buy more Bitcoin. And that's pretty important to see here, because big companies are buying Bitcoin. Big companies are raising money to buy Bitcoin because they believe in it. And they don't want to sell it in the upcoming weeks, months or years. So it's pretty bullish if all those companies keep raising money to buy Bitcoin and just hold it till they're till they literally make bank of it. So that's exactly what you want to see here. So this is pretty bullish news in my opinion. Then also, if you look at the market USDT dominance here, I've been looking for this chart for a while here, because we have very big support here in the past, and now it acts as resistance. So this was a very important line, and now we had support on the lower side, resistance on the top side. So what can we expect next here? We can expect that price will drop further towards the downside of this point, which could signal for a money flow from stable coins into crypto coins, which could cause for a surge in price on all crypto coins. So that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the altcoins. So it's pretty important and bullish to see here that we are rejecting from of this point. So this means that money will flow into Ethereum, crypto and Bitcoin, all the other altcoins, which will cause for a pump towards the upside. So it's pretty interesting to see here. And that was it for today's update video. So please make sure to follow me right over on YouTube to never miss a daily update again, because it's very important to stay updated in the market. And I'm literally sharing trade IDs here and trade setups here, which you can literally take and copy me here. So please make sure to follow me over on YouTube and subscribe on my channel, and push a like button below here if you like the video. And if you want updates throughout the day here, please make sure to follow me over on X, because if things break down, if I'm stepping into a trade, I'm sharing it live over here. I'm sharing breakdowns of charts which you literally need to see every hour here. So please make sure to follow me over there as well, and then I will see you tomorrow by a new crypto update video.